how to merge two scanned documents into one PDF in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you are an iPhone user, you have surely tried to scan documents from your Notes app. However, if you need to merge two scanned documents into one PDF, then you're in the right place. So first things first, so go to your Notes app and then open up your scanned documents on your Notes app. And so on the top right of the screen, beside the dots, you'll see a share icon, and then you need to tap on it. Go ahead and tap on Save to Files. Now hit Save on the top right, and now open the documents in your Files app. Now you'll find the scanned documents on your recents. You'll see three dots on the top right, tap on it, and then there you'll find the select option, tap on it and select the two documents that you want to merge, and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right, and there you'll see create PDF option, tap on it, and then once you do this, the two files will be merged into one. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.